4 best freelance writing jobs perfect for beginners and get paid to write in 2025. So, are you passionate about writing and want to earn up to $300 for sharing your expertise on writings, freelance writing, and content creation? Well, you are in luck and you are on the right place. There are several websites out there that are eager to pay writers like you for the valuable insights. So let's get started into the details of the 4 such platforms. So on number 1, there is Income Diary. Income Diary is searching for the experts in various fields, including search engine optimization, website creation, and making money online, and affiliate marketing, and they pride themselves on publishing high quality articles on their websites with actionable insights for their readers. So, Income Diary is willing to pay you up to $200 for exceptional articles that resonate with your audience. So, if you have knowledge in any of these areas, simply submit your article through the website, and additionally, you can subscribe to receive notifications on new writing opportunities. So on number 2, there is E-commerce Insider. E-commerce Insider is a go-to platform for writers and familiar with e-commerce, online retail, and retail strategies. And they focus on publishing articles and they offer valuable advice, tips, and strategies for individuals and businesses operating in the e-commerce space. So e-commerce insider offers payment ranging from $75 to $80 per article depending on the word count and quality share. So your experiences or insights and e-commerce related knowledge, so get compensated for your contributions. So on number 3, we have Freelance Mom. So Freelance Mom is a dedicated to providing resource and support for the freelance moms. The published articles are especially geared toward moms who are navigating the world of entrepreneurship and freelancing while balancing family responsibilities. So, if you are a mom with expertise in entrepreneurship or freelancing, then this platform is perfect fit for you. So, Freelance Mom offer payments ranging from $75 to $100 per article, and simply email your article outline to Lisa at Freelance Moms to get started. But what if you are unsure about what to write? So don't worry, you can leverage AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard to generate articles, ideas based on the topic. So these websites are interested in once you have got your ideas, craft your article and submit it to the platform of your choice. So on number 4, we have Text Broker. So Text Broker is content creation service that connects clients with freelance writers to produce custom written content, attaching to a wide range of need from blog post articles to product description and technical documents. Text Broker offers a platform where clients can specify their writings and choose writers based on the quality and expertise. So writers in turn can select assignments and showcase their skills and interest and earn money based on the quality level of their submissions. So the service aims to streamline that content creation process, ensuring clients receive high quality original content while providing writers with flexible work opportunities. So as far as pay is concerned, Text Broker pay for the 3-style order quality reading
1.1 cents
per word, and for 4-star order quality reading it pays
1.6 cents
per word, and for 5-star order quality reading provide
5.5 cents.
per word. So these are for open orders. For direct orders, per word is different. So you can see in detail here. Select, suppose you have written a 4-star quality articles that you can expect $8 for 500 words you have written, and pay range increases as long as you write longer length articles. So for 12,000 word article you can expect $92, and as per the pay calculator here, so you can request a payout at any time during the week as long as your balance reaches to $10 or more, and you can get paid twice per week. So whether you are an expert in surgeon, in optimization, in e-commerce enthusiast, and a mom with a knack for entrepreneurship, there's a platform out there waiting for you to pay for your valuable insights and writing skills. So start earning today, and I think that you will also like these videos. Do check them out here.